New brakes squeaking, possible causes and what to do. It's common to hear worn-out brakes squeak, especially as they get older. To hear new brakes squeaking, however, is not right. It could be trying to warn you that something really serious is happening. This sound might frequently make you feel uneasy and make you wonder if the car is safe to drive. Is that squeaking sound driving you nuts? In today's video, we'll uncover why your car's new brakes might be squeaking and what you can do about it. What causes new brakes squeaking noise? 1. Moisture. The most common reason for new brakes squeaking is moisture. Brake pads and rotors are susceptible to moisture buildup of any kind. It may only be necessary for the brake pads to dry out if there has recently been rain, snow, or ice. Surface rust can develop on the metal surface even if condensation builds up overnight. 2. Worn, thinning, or low-quality brake pads. Brake pad wear is one of the most evident causes of new brake squeaking. This is due to the metal indicator that brake pads purposefully contain, which produces a high-pitched warning when they reach their minimum thickness. Even though this isn't really related to new brakes, it can still occur if you've replaced your rotor or caliper without changing your brake pads. 3. Break-in period. Another possible cause of new brakes squeaking is during break-in period of a new brake pad. You need to allow for a break-in period if you change the brake pads yourself. 4. Dust or debris between your pads and rotors. Mud, dust, or other debris on the surface of your brake pads or rotors is another common reason why new brakes are squeaking. This may occur under different driving conditions or if your vehicle sits for an extended amount of time collecting dust. 3. Stuck brake caliper. In order to separate the brake pads from the rotors, the caliper pins need to contract, which causes your brake pads to move. A caliper pin that sticks could cause the pad to slam into the rotor at an angle and cause squeaking noises. 6. Lack of lubrication. Only cars with drum brakes are affected by this particular cause of squeaking brakes, which can occur on both new and used brakes as the pistons push the shoes outward against the drum. Before we continue, make sure you're subscribed to our channel for more valuable car insights. Hit that subscribe button now, and let's dive right back in. Now, what can you do about new brake squeaking noise issue? 1. Wear off the moisture. Depending on what the issue is, there are different ways to fix brake squeaking. If there was heavy condensation or overnight precipitation, you only need to drive a short distance to get rid of the excess moisture. 2. Replace the pads. Your car may require another replacement if you install inexpensive brake pads. 3. Break-in pad. New pads need to be broken in as well. They should be broken in for you by the repair shop if you had them professionally installed. 4. Replace or resurface the rotors. You might have to put in more effort to fix the problem if you attempted to change the pads without considering the requirements of the rotor. 5. Adjust calipers. The only options for fixing a stuck caliper are to lubricate it or replace it. Sticking brakes will also cause the vehicle to pull to one side and possibly emit a burning odor. Remember, addressing brake squeaks promptly can prevent bigger issues. Stay safe on the road. Found this video helpful? Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more automotive tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.